Number 1. 1985 Buick Riviera, $2,200, Tucson, Arizona. This 1985 Buick Riviera is a low-mileage project listed for $2,200 in Tucson, Arizona. The one-owner car reportedly shows about 28,000 original miles and is powered by a 307-inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. It spent most of its life stored in a garage on an Arizona ranch and is described as rust-free. The car ran when parked, but has been sitting for a long time and will need basic mechanical attention. Sun damage is visible on the paint, tires, vinyl top, and bumper fillers. As the final year of this Riviera body style, it offers an affordable restoration opportunity. Number 2. 1972 MGB ROADSTER, $2,950, Lyons, Illinois. This 1972 MGB ROADSTER convertible is listed for $2,950 in Lyons, Illinois, and represents one of the most popular British sports cars ever built. It features a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive layout. The car is currently not running, but the engine turns freely, suggesting good potential for restoration. Described as complete and in fair condition, it appears to be a manageable project with excellent parts availability. Number 3. 1974 Lincoln Continental, $5,000, Sanger, California. Offered for $5,000 in Sanger, California, this 1974 Lincoln Continental sedan is a barn find, believed to be a one-owner vehicle with about 48,526 miles. It is powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car does not currently run, but the engine turns over and briefly sputters when fuel is added. It will need fuel system work, including tank cleaning and carburetor service, but the original green paint reportedly still shines well. Number 4. 1981 Pontiac Bonneville, $7,000, South San Francisco, California. This 1981 Pontiac Bonneville sedan is offered for $7,000 in South San Francisco, California, with approximately 78,000 miles. The original diesel engine has been replaced with a Chevrolet 350 small block V8 and a new transmission. The seller reports the car runs very well with no mechanical problems. It is described as rust-free and ready to drive, making it a comfortable classic full-size cruiser. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro, $6,200, Aurora, Colorado. This 1986 Chevrolet Camaro coupe is listed for $6,200 in Aurora, Colorado, and represents the third generation of the famous American pony car. It is powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The car reportedly runs and drives well with about 134,000 miles. The interior is described as very nice, and the tires have only about 800 miles, making this an affordable entry into classic Camaro ownership. Number 6. 1981 Cadillac Eldorado Barittz, $9,997, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1981 Cadillac Eldorado Barittz coupe is offered for $9,997 in Scottsdale, Arizona, and shows about 80,000 miles. It is powered by a 6.0-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Owned by the seller for 10 years, the car is described as a reliable cruiser with a clean title. It features upgraded speakers and a custom grille, highlighting its distinctive early 1980s luxury styling. Number 7. 1987 Mercury Grand Marquis, 10,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1987 Mercury Grand Marquis sedan is listed for $10,000 in Colorado Springs, Colorado, with only 59,383 miles. It is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The seller states it has had one owner and has always been garage kept. The car is described as being in excellent condition with a vinyl-style soft top and the smooth ride these cars are known for. Number 8. 1988 Ford Country Squire wagon, $4,600, Portland, Oregon. This 1988 Ford Country station wagon is offered for $4,600 in Portland, Oregon, and is powered by a 302 cubic inch 5.0-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The wagon has about 130,000 miles and has recently received new tires. The car has proven reliable on long trips, but does need attention. The headliner has been removed due to past water damage. The rear door latch currently requires a strap to stay closed, and part of the exhaust system has been removed. Despite these issues, the car remains a functional and classic American family wagon project. Number 9. 1974 Volkswagen Beetle, $7,250, Tatum, Texas. This 1974 Volkswagen Beetle coupe is listed for $7,250 in Tatum, Texas, and is powered by a 1,600 cubic centimeter air-cooled 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. The car shows approximately 80,150 miles and is described as running and driving well. The seller has owned the car for 9 years and has replaced several components during that time. Recently, the brake cylinders were replaced and the brakes remain in good condition. The exterior was repainted before the current owner purchased it. This Beetle offers the classic driving experience that made the model one of the most famous cars in automotive history. Number 10. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $8,000, Huntington Beach, California. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is offered for $8,000 in Huntington Beach, California, and represents one of the most iconic American pony cars ever built. The car is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. The engine is described as strong, but the transmission needs to be rebuilt or replaced. The interior is reportedly in excellent condition, while the exterior will need some paint work on the rear right side. With its solid condition overall, this Mustang could be a good restoration project for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic 1960s American sports coupe.